Hello friends, today we take some circuits of staircase wirings in which we take two two-way switch and one holder and tools, some essential tools. Now staircase wirings first circuit, that is neutral, goes to directly in holder and phase wire comes to center point of first terminal and first first switch first terminal, second switch first terminal, first switch third terminal, second switch third terminal connected, and second switch second center terminal to half wire supply, that is phase supply to holders. This is a simple circuits. Now we take if we connect to two switch such as there are three terminal connected each other and then phase wire comes and connect to first terminal, first switch third terminals, and neutral wire direct go to holder and half wire is connect to first switch first terminal. So this is the conversions of single point into टू पॉइंट स्टेयरकेस वायरिंग कहलाती है. इसके अलावा एक देन आप वन सर्किट इज हियर वी शो टू वे स्विच connect is its terminal 1 and 3rd each other, and in center terminal both switch center terminal connect to holders, then supply neutral and phase given to first terminal and third terminals. This is also a staircase circuit for already installed wiring कहलाती है. To we complete staircase wiring, simple staircase wiring, where is simple connection diagrams. Both switch first terminal connect, both switch third terminal connect, or center terminal of first switch goes to phase wire and center terminal of second switch goes to half wire of holder, neutral directly connect. In this case, we also test a two-way switch up its position upsides. When supply upside means continuity is higher, first terminal, that is shown. Center to first terminal, third it is not shown. Here, come here, that is directly you connected one to one and goes to supply here to holder. But position up means supply goes to center terminal to first terminal. When position down, supply goes to center terminal to third terminal, first terminal not show. Also here they show first terminal not show. So this is the positions of lamp, and in this case circuit diagram accordingly we say that the both switch when upsides, there is supply phase supply continuous to lamp and neutral directly lamp glow. When both switch downwards, so phase supply going to here to here to here to here and lamp glow. But one both switch sequence up and down and up, lamp is off. It is a we check the. So now second type circuit diagrams. According to this, bulb to phase supply not going when both switch upward, both switch downward, such as both switch upward, lamp off, both switch downward, lamp off, but one upward and second downward, bulb glow. Then upward, it's downward, bulb glow. Yani switch, two switch is same position, bulb is off, and the different position, bulb is glow. This is second type, and according to circuit, you should understand that. As here come what. Now we complete third circuit diagram accordingly. Both switch first and third terminal connected, and holder supply going from center terminal of both switch. First switch center terminal and second switch center terminal, holder supply givens. Now phase wire came from MCB to third terminals of first switch. MCB used because in this case uh, both phase and neutral come in switch, and switch is short, then that is short circuit possibility. So we protective way take MCB. Now we given supply to wirings and test it. In this case also, as per diagrams, when both switch up sides, no any supply to holders. When both switch downward, no any supply to holder. This is MCB on off. In third number circuit diagram, we test it according to switch positions, one upward direction and second switch downwards. Bulb is glow. In a different position, bulb is glow, but switch in same position, just as both switch downward, bulb off, both switch upward, bulb off, but one switch uh, downward and one upward. And there is two switch in different positions, up, down, up. In that case, bulb will glow. So we discuss in here three type circuit. First is simple circuits, and in that case, first circuit is bulb glow when both switch position upward or a downward, but different position bulb will not glow. But second and third circuit diagram, in that case, bulb glow when both switch position different, up, down, up. So we complete three types staircase wirings and test it. तो नाउ चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें, तो हमको भी खुशी होगी। धन्यवाद।